In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. This process is incredibly useful for those who work with recurring projects or tasks that require the same set of subtasks. I'll guide you through two different methods, a manual copy-paste technique and a duplication method that includes subtasks. Let's kick off with the first method, the good old manual copy-paste. To start, navigate to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If not, you can easily create an account by selecting Get Started or Try for Free. Once you're logged in, open the task that contains the subtasks you wish to copy. This is your source task, which contains all the important details you need. Now select each subtask and copy its name. You can do this easily by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. Once you've copied all the necessary subtask names, navigate over to the new task where these subtasks need to be added. Think of this new task as your canvas, ready to receive all the copied elements. Here, paste the names of the subtasks as new entries. Utilize Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac to accomplish this. And just like that, you have successfully transferred subtasks from one task to another. Moving on to the second method, which can save you a bit more time, duplicating a task that includes subtasks. First, you'll need to open the original task containing the subtasks. This task is your starting point from which you'll create a complete replica. In the upper right corner of this task, click on the three-dot menu, often shown as three dots lined up vertically. Once the menu pops up, you'll find the duplicate task option. Go ahead and click that. You'll then notice some duplication settings. It's crucial here to ensure that the subtasks option is checked. This selection allows all the subtasks to be included in the duplication process, ensuring nothing is left behind. After verifying the settings, click Create Task. This action will generate an exact duplicate of your original task, complete with its subtasks. Lastly, all that's left for you to do is adjust the duplicated task as necessary. Whether it involves moving it to a different project or renaming it to suit its new purpose, you have complete freedom to modify it to meet your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on copying subtasks in Asana using two different techniques. Both methods are straightforward and handy. Whether you prefer the manual route or the duplication feature, knowing both gives you the flexibility to choose based on your specific workflow requirements. Happy task organizing, and thanks for watching.